guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you are doing good. So it's New Year Eve and we are going to celebrate New Year today, and we are right now at the Yonge Street, taking a subway from here to downtown. And if you see today, all the subway, all the TTC has free entry. Guys, so we are here at the Danda Square. ये हमारा पहला stop है. And do you want to see the crowd? Guys, it was super crowded at Danda Square, and hence we decided to start walking towards the lake shore. So हमारा plan है कि we're going to watch the fireworks. So guys, we are here at the harbour front to watch lights. So Vivek, how are you feeling?
I'm feeling good.
And what do you say about 2023?
Yes, it's going to be happening 2023.
Hello. So we are here at the Harbour Front Center. Yes. And we're going to have a gala time here.
Yes.
For New Year celebration.
Let's go. Happy 2023.
Happy 2023. So after having a great time at the harbour front, now we are having some hot dog and fries with a view. Kanika, are you set?
Yes. Let's go.
Hey guys, so आज है 1st of January 2023 और yesterday night it was quite fun there at the lake shore और अभी हम आए हैं to enjoy our first day of the year at the ice rink. So it's our first time at the ice skating rink और कनिका एंड विवेक ट्राई कर रहे हैं. अभी मेरी थोड़ी हिम्मत नहीं है, बट येस आई विल ऑल्सो स्टार्ट इट सून. कनिका एंड विवेक दे बोथ आर डूइंग क्वाइट गुड. काफ़ी अच्छे से पिकअप कर लिया. आई वॉज नॉट एक्सपेक्टिंग. One thing which is very important to carry when you're starting ice skating is your protective gear. So helmet, knee guard, ankle guard, everything has to be there. क्योंकि ice skating is little different from your roller skates और यहाँ पे गिर के बहुत चोट लगती है, तो you have to take all the precautions. Good job, Kanika. Good job. Water break?
You want to take a water break?
Come. तो गाइज आज की वीडियो यही ख़त्म करते हैं. आई होप आपका भी न्यू ईयर बहुत अच्छा रहा एंड इवन द फर्स्ट डे ऑफ द न्यू ईयर यू हैड सम प्रोडक्टिव टाइम. And if you like this video, do give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And until we meet next time, bye.
Yes.